guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Priceline haul. I just got home from Priceline because they had their 50% off cosmetic sale, and oh my god, it was crazy. So many ladies with their prams or pushers or whatever you want to call them for their babies. It's such a small store as it is, guys. Keep the babies out. Yeah, I live 45 kilometers outside of Adelaide, so you know that my Priceline is the smallest Priceline in the world. So it was very limited as to what they stock from brands, but I did spend a lot of money. I only like to spend money at Priceline during these sales, the 40 or the 50% off cosmetic sales. So you know I'm gonna go crazy, and then I'm gonna wait and not buy anything until the next sale. I didn't get everything I wanted, obviously, because it was bare, and I got the sale started today, and I get there at like midday and it's already like empty, and it's just like, did they even start off having anything at all? I swear they didn't. But yeah, I actually got, funny story, I went to Priceline the other day literally hours before they announced this sale and bought makeup items, because you know I had wanted them and they had finally been in stock at the Priceline near my work, and I was like, that's it, grabbing it, not waiting for the sale whenever it was, because I didn't know when it was going to be. And because they never have my shade, because they always sell out of the really popular shades, and you know, popular shade. So literally I got home that day and I seen all over social media, half price cosmetic sale coming. Are you kidding me? Like literally hours after I bought makeup, it announced it. So I'm just going to go through, there's only a couple things, thank god, but the fact that I did see them at the sale meant I could have gotten them half price, which you know, maybe I should have kept the receipt, returned them later and bought them half price then, but you know, what you gonna do? So yeah, let's get into those things that I actually bought outside of the sale. So the first thing I got outside of the sale were the Glow Mon Amour highlighting drops from L'Oreal. I've seen nothing but amazing things about these, and the colour looked like I could use it, and have used it, and it is so stunning. Like my favourite liquid highlighter now, like seriously. So pretty, like so happy about that one. The next thing I got was finally come to Australia after like a year and a half, is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Like everyone on YouTube loves this, and I've just been waiting and waiting for it to come to Australia, because Australia gets everything last. So I got the lightest shade that they had, which was 10 Fair Light. I'm hoping they bring out a 5 because I haven't used it yet, but it does look a little bit yellowy. Hoping it'll still work, even if it doesn't work under my eyes, it will still work on my face. But so excited to finally got it. Like as soon as I saw that it was in Priceline, I went there that same day to get it, because I couldn't miss out on getting the right shade. But when I went to the Priceline today for the sale, there was only one left in this shade, and I'm sure someone else would have grabbed that if I didn't. So you know, I'm glad I did get it when I did. I just wish I would have got it half price. Last thing I got out of the sale is this Savvy brush duo, the loose powder setting brush set. So it comes with a flat buffing brush and a tapered precision brush. I love the Savvy brushes, and I've got all the other ones, and I didn't have this set yet because it was never in stock in my local Priceline. And I'm glad I got this outside the sale, because at the Priceline sale today there wasn't any. So oh, it's so soft. So glad. I could probably use that one for foundation, to be honest. And that one is so soft as well. So excited to have these brushes. Savvy does really good brushes, so definitely get on them because it's such a good price. Now your set's like normal priced at $10, so you can't beat it. Okay, let's get into what I actually got half price. Well, first thing I got, because it was $1, these Beauty Essentials makeup wipes, because they were $1, so I thought, why not try them? They're $1. Next thing I got was the Nude by Nature Essentials collection, like a brush set. They had a lot of sets there for Christmas, not just by Nude by Nature, but so many brands. I could have gotten so many, but like, you know, I gotta cut back somewhere. But this one had mostly eye brushes in it, and I kind of need more eye brushes than I do face brushes right now. So I thought this would be a great way to try the Nude by Nature brushes, see if they're actually any good. Actually comes in this really cute little bag. That would be great for traveling with brushes, actually. Oh wait, actually it's in the bag. I thought it was just a cosmetics bag, but it's actually in the set. So I kind of wish it wasn't like that. I wish it was just like a normal bag, because it'd be more versatile. But still, I'm curious to see if these brushes are actually any good. They feel really soft, so that was a really good bargain, especially for half price. Next is something I've been wanting every single sale, and they never have it in my Priceline because it's like a country Priceline. But it's the first time I've ever seen it there, and it is the NYX Angel Veil Primer. So excited. Kathleen Lights loves this, and it's comparable to the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, which I love, so had to try this. So glad it finally came into my Priceline. And I actually got it. It wasn't already sold out. Winner. Next I got another Superstay Matte ink from Maybelline, and this one is like a bright hot red orange colour. Like I've just got so many nudes, so I really wanted to try a bright. Just can't get into the sticky tape. Like I understand why sticky tape in drugstores is necessary, but it's just so hard to get off, and when you do actually finally get it off after 10 years of trying, it still leaves a sticky residue, and it just never looks the same. Like I just want perfect packaging, okay? That is the colour there. So bright. Next I got some little like a little pigment from NYX. It's called Glitter Palettes or something. That's the shade, if that's even a shade. I don't remember what the name of it was because it's not written on it at all. So what I thought it would be like a proper pigment, but it's actually just loose glitter, which isn't sticking onto my hands. So I should have gotten a glitter glue, but I had no idea what this was. I just thought it was super pretty, and I might need to get some glitter glue to actually use this, so oopsie. Two things I got were like matching. So I got the L'Oreal Back to Bronze and the L'Oreal Life's Peach. Everyone's been raving about these, and I've seen them there for a while, but I finally thought 50% off, time to try them, right? And again, they're covered in all the sticky tape. See what I mean? It just never looks the same again. That is the bronzer. That's what that one looks like there. Definitely good for us pale girls. This one's even worse. Like, and that is the blush. It actually has a little bit of shimmer, like a very slight gold shimmer into it. That's it there next to the bronzer. Nice and pretty for summer. Next two things weren't 50%, however they were 30%. And when I saw that these brands were in Priceline, like I knew Priceline did them in other stores, but I'd never seen it in any Priceline store I'd been to in Adelaide. And I almost died. Like I was just like, yes, I don't care what the price is, I'm buying it. So the first thing I got was Bonnie Luminizer from the Balm. I've got all the other ones, but I didn't have Bonnie, and I had to get it to complete the collection, right? I love the Balm highlighters, and this one looks kind of dark for me, but I do not care whatsoever. Like, look at that, so pretty. Definitely too dark for me, but I don't care. I use them as eyeshadows all the time, so excited to have this one to add to my collection. And last but not certainly least, I got one of the Quick Flicks. So basically it's kind of like a winged eyeliner stamp, and I was so excited to see this because I'd seen it all over Instagram, all over YouTube, all over Facebook. Everyone was trying it out, and I really wanted to try it out because if you're like me, I suck at wing liner so much, and if this actually works, I will be in heaven because I actually have wing liner, because I never do it because I suck at it, but because I suck at it because I never do it because I never practice at it, because I don't want to ruin my makeup. So I thought maybe I'd do a does it work video on the quick flick, and yeah, if you guys want to see that one, please let me know down below, because if this works and it's available at Priceline, that is the best news in the world. So I got the 10mm one in black. They also had brown and navy blue, but they also had 8cm, this 10cm one, and then 12cm, and I wasn't sure what size, so I thought I'd just jump in the middle. I'm not going to take it out or show you what it looks like on the skin, because I'm going to leave that for the video, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah guys, I just spent a ton of money at Priceline. Please let me know what you guys got at the sale down below. And yeah, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.